Good morning, students. Today we'll continue remaining problems of 4.6. Okay, let us do the problems. 11th question. Solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. Using matrix method. Using matrix method. Right. 11th question. So all problems from 7 to 16 in exercise, 7 to 16 all problems solving the system of equations. This method, using this method. The equation, given equation is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2, 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. These are the equations, linear equations, homogeneous, non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, right. First of all, we can write A matrix, quotient matrix, next variable matrix, next constant matrix B. Let us write first quotient matrix 2, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1. Next, there is no x value, so that's why x quotient 0. There is no x value, treated as x quotient 0. Consider the equations 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, and next x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2. Next 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. So this x value is equal to 0 x quotient 2 and y quotient is 3, and next z quotient is minus 5. This is the quotient matrix A. Non-homogeneous linear equations given. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. These problems in board exam will get 5 marks questions. These are okay, very important questions. Very concentrate students. Right. A value and next variable matrix. Variable matrix x, y, z. Variable matrix x, y, z. Next constant matrix. Constant matrix 1, 3 by 2, 9. 1, 3 by 2, 9. Okay. Constant matrix 1, 3 by 2, 9. Right. 1, 3 by 2, 9. Okay. These equations can be written as Ax is equal to B. First of all, write this one. These equations write like this: Ax is equal to B. Right. Solve the system of equations. Solve means find the variable values x, y, z values. That's why find this x matrix values x, y, z. Therefore, x is equal to A inverse into B. Already proved that the cases x is equal to A inverse into B. Above previous class we discussed about consistent and inconsistent. In that I explained x is equal to formula A inverse into B, where A is non-singular matrix. Okay, right. What is A inverse? What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A, 1 by det A of adjoint A. So that's why before you find det A, right. Determinant of A. Determinant of A means determinant take along with R1. Determinant take along with R1. That is 2 of deleting this row and this column, minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1. Next, minus 1 of deleting this row and this column. 1 minus 1 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0 minus 1. Next, plus 1 of deleting this row and this column. 1 minus 2 0 3. 1 minus 2 0 3. 1 minus 2 0 3. This is equal to 2 times 5 2s 10. Okay. Plus 3. 5 2s 10. Minus into minus. Plus 3. Minus 1 of minus 5. 0 into some value is equal to 0. Okay. Plus 0. Next. Plus 1. 3. Plus 0. 3 plus 0. So this value 10 plus 3, 13. 13 into 2. How much value? 26. Minus into minus. Plus 5. Plus 3. This value is equal to how much this value? 26 plus 5. 31 plus 3. 34. This is not equal to 0. Then A is non-singular. Therefore, A is non-singular. A is non-singular. Determinant of A. Then A inverse exists. That A not equal to 0 means then A inverse is exist. A is non-singular. What next? Next, A inverse is equal to 1 by delta A of adjoint A. So we'll find adjoint A. We'll find adjoint A. What is adjoint A? Adjoint A is transpose of cofactors of A. Transpose of cofactors of A is the adjoint of A. That is the definition of the adjoint. So first of all, we will find the transpose of cofactors. We will find first of all. Right. Cofactors means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A3. Those are the cofactors. Okay, I found already. This is delta A is equal to 0. Right. Right here, determinant of A is equal to how much you got? 34. A is non-singular. Okay, cofactors we find. A11. A11 is equal to first element, cofactor of this one, A11 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 and its minor. What is its minor? Deleting this row and this column. Minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1. So after finding determinant, continue the steps. So there is no space, that's why guys. Okay, A11. Next up, this matrix, what is this value? This value is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, 10 plus 3. This is equal to how much value? This is equal to 13. Okay, next one. A12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Right. Into its minor. Deleting this row and this column. 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 5 plus 0. This value is equal to, okay, this is 13 here. Right, this value is equal to 5. This value is equal to 5. Right. Next one. A13. Right. Delete minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 I plus j minus 1 to the power of I plus j. It's a fixed value. into its minor. What is minor? Minor is after deleting this corresponding row, corresponding column, remaining elements determined. That is the minor. So therefore 1 minus 2 0 3. 1 minus 2 0 3. So minus of the power of 1 plus 3, even number, plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Next one. A21, this one. This value is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1. Deleting this row and this column. Remaining elements 1 1 3 minus 5. 1 1 3 minus 5. Okay, it's minor. Deleting this row and this column. Remaining elements that are called minor. 1 1 3 minus 5. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1. Odd number minus 1 into minus 5 minus 3. This minus this, right, is equal to minus 1 minus 8. Minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 minus plus 8 minus 8. This is equal to plus 8. A22, this one, deleting this row, so that implies minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, deleting this row and this column. 2 1 0 minus 5. 2 1 0 minus 5. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 plus minus 10 minus 0. This is equal to minus 10. 823 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. This cofactor, deleting this row and this column, deleting this row, this column, remaining elements 2 1 0 3. 2 1 0 3. It's minor. Minus 1 to the power of 5 plus a into its minor. Minor means the element where the lies, deleting that row and corresponding that column, remaining elements determinant. That is 2 1 0 3. Therefore, that is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. Odd number minus 1. This determinant 2 3 6. 6 minus this one 0. Therefore, minus 6. Right. A to the complete. Next one, A31. Okay. A31. A31 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into its minor. What is its minor? A31. Deleting this row and this column. Deleting this row and this column. Remaining elements 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. Even number plus 1 of minus 1 minus 2 into 1. Already minus 2 into 1 minus 2. This is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Next A32 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 and its minor. What is minor? A32. Deleting this row and this column. Deleting this row, this column. Remaining elements 2 1 1 minus 1. 2 1 1 minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2. Therefore, that value is equal to 5 minus 1 to the power of 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, right. Next A33 is equal to minus 1 to the power of A33. This is 8 is equal to 8. Okay, this is minus 1 minus 3. Right. Next, A33. A33 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 and it's minor. Deleting this row and this column. Deleting this row and this column. 2, 1, 1 minus 2. 2, 1, 1 minus 2. Therefore, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 plus 1. 2 minus 2. This is minus 2. Minus 2. 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. Next, 1 into 1. Minus 1. So, finally, this value minus 4 minus 1. This value is equal to minus 5. So, cofactors completed. A11, A12, A13, A21. So, all completed. Right in one bracket, one matrix. Therefore, cofactor of A11 13, A12 5, A13 3, A21 8, A22 minus 10, A23 minus 6, A31 1, A32 3, A33 minus 5. These are the cofactors of A. Next, this is the A matrix. So that you already know. Cofactor of A. Next, adjoint A. Adjoint means transpose of this one. Transpose of cofactors. Cofactor of A. Transpose of cofactor of A. Take this transpose. B is equal to 3. This is equal to 13, 5, 3, 8, minus 10, minus 6, 1, 3, minus 5. This is adjoint. Okay. What is A inverse? X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A of adjoint A into B. 1 by det A. 1 by 34. Adjoint A. Okay. Adjoint A means this one. 34 det A value. Adjoint A 13, 8, 1, 5, minus 10, 3, 3, minus 6, minus 5. B value 1, 3 by 2, 9. Right. This 1 by 34 don't multiply inside. Okay. If multiply also no problem, but calculation is difficult. Without this one, calculation easy. After finding this one, divide by this net value. So better to multiply these two matrices. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 1 matrix. So multiple possible. So what is the resultant matrix answer is 3 by 1. Right. Resultant matrix answer also 3 by 1. Okay. Arrange this one. A11 value 13. A12 value 5. Next, A13 value 3. Right. Cofactor. Now we multiply. This is equal to 1 by 34 of 13. This row into this column. 13 plus 8 into 3 by 2 plus 9. Next, this row, this column. 5 plus minus 10 into 3 by 2, minus 10 into 3 by 2 plus 9, here write this also, Samkhya, plus 9, this 3 into 9, 27, 3 into 9, 27, right. This is plus. Third row, this column, 3 into 1, 3, plus minus 6 into 3 by 2, minus 45. Right. This is equal to 1 by 34, 1 by 34, 2 fours, 13 plus 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9. Next, this is 2, 2 5 times cancel, 5 times cancel, 5, 5, minus 5 here, minus 5, so minus 5 into 3, minus 15, plus 27, plus 27, okay, 3, so this was the error is 3 plus 2 3 times, 3 times cancel, 3 into 3 minus 9, therefore this is minus 9. Next minus 45, right, minus 45. This is equal to 1 by 34, 13 plus 12, 25, 25 plus 9, 34. Next 5 minus 15, minus 10, minus 10 plus 27, 17, minus 9 minus 45, minus 54, minus 54 plus 3, minus 51. Now we multiply this all x. What is this one? This is x. X is equal to, therefore x is equal to, right here, these are the 4 factors. Therefore x is equal to 34 by 34, 17 by 34, minus 51 by 34. X is equal to 34 by 34, 1, 17 by 34, 1 by 2. So this in this cancellation 17 is possible, 17 3s, 17 3s, 17 3s, 17 2s, minus 3 by 2. So this is xy. Okay, right. What is x? X means x, y, z. Therefore, x, y, z is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Therefore, equate the corresponding values. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. These are the solutions of the given system of linear equations. System of equations. Okay. Starting we found that a is not equal to 0, then a is not singular, a inverse exists, and at a time consistent. This is from case 1, a that a not equal to 0 means consistent. Consistent means in this case unique solution. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. These are the unique solutions. Okay, okay, right. Our answers are x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. So these answers correct or not? Just have some doubt. That's why we will check in the given equations. Write this. Just for checking, not necessarily to write in exam. So what are the given equations? Given equations are, first equation 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1 given. So first of all you substitute those values here, satisfy or not. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So this value is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is plus 5 minus 3, 2 by 2 is equal to 1, RHS. So this is RHS, satisfied. All equations will satisfy compulsory. Therefore second equation, not only one equation, second equation, this is first, x minus 2y minus z, what is RHS value? 3 by 2. Okay, x value 1, y value 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This is equal to 2 to cancel, 1 minus 1, minus into minus, plus 3 by 2, 1 cancel, 3 by 2. So RHS. Satisfied, second equation. Next, third equation. I'll write this also. So this is verification, just verification. Y means our answer is correct or not. That's what we verify. Third equation, 3y minus 5z. 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. So 3y value 1 by 2 and 5 into z value minus 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 minus into minus plus 15 by 2. LCM 2, 18. Answer is equal to 9. Correct. RHS satisfied. So like this now given system of equations, solve the system of equations by using matrix method. Okay, first of all write Ax is equal to B given equations. What is A? Quotient matrix, X is variable matrix, B is constant matrix. From this, solve means find x, y, z value. Solve means find variables x, y, z value. Therefore, that x, y, z x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse means 1 by det A into adjoint A. Therefore, first of all, we find out det A. Det A is not equal to 0. A is non-singular matrix. Then we follow the continue the problem adjoint A next. Adjoint A means transpose of the cofactors of A. So then first of all you find the cofactors of A. Next you take transpose of that cofactors, that is nothing but adjoint A. So next finally A inverse 1 by det A into adjoint A into B. B means constant matrix. So we get this answer x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Your answer is correct or wrong means verifying the given system of equations. 5 marks. This is the 5 marks. Next problem. X minus y plus z is equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. 13 homework. Same method 13. 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. 14. X minus y plus 2z is equal to 7. 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to minus 5. 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 12. Okay. Do these three problems, solve 13, 14 over the same process. Solve the system of equations by using matrix method. Do these all. Next, 15th question. If A is equal to 2 minus 3, 5. A is equal to 2 minus 3, 5. 3, 2 minus 4. 1, 1 minus 2. 1, 1 minus 2. Find A inverse. Find A inverse. Full stop. Using A inverse. Using A inverse, solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations. Okay, right. What are the equations? 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11. Right. 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. X plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. Actually, previous problems directly solve the system of equations like this here. But here some different. A is equal to, first of all, matrix A given, find A inverse. Once you observe this problem, for what are the quotient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix from these equations? Quotient matrix A, 2 minus 3, 5. Okay, 2 minus 3, 5. 3, 2 minus 4. 3, 2 minus 4. 1, 1 minus 2. 1, 1 minus 2. So, what is this quotient matrix? That only this one. So, but first of all, they ask to find A inverse of this matrix. However, for this problem also compulsory you find A inverse. So, that only before you find A inverse for this matrix. Okay, right. A inverse. What is A inverse formula? A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. This is A inverse formula. So that's why before you find det A. Det A means from this problem determinant of A. Determinant of A 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2. Determinant to find from this 2r, deleting this one, this column, minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 minus plus 4. Next minus, already here minus is there, minus of minus 3 of, deleting this column and this row, 3 2's minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 plus 4, deleting this row and this column, minus 6 minus 6 minus plus 4. Next plus 5r. This is 5. 5r. Deleting this row and this column. 3 minus 2. Deleting this row and this column. Remaining elements represented to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. That implies plus 4 minus 1 cancel. 2 into 0. This is 2 into 0. Minus into minus plus 3 minus 6. This is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Minus 6 minus plus minus 2. Minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1. 1 into 5. 5. This is equal to 2 into 0, 0. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 1. Minus 6 plus 5. So minus 1. So this is the determinant of E. Now we find the 1 by delta. Okay, formula A equals to delta completed minus 1 not equal to 0. Minus 1 not equal to 0. A must exist. Why means denominator not equal to 0, then only exist. Suppose it is 0 means it is not exist. Compulsory determinant not equal to 0, then only inverse exist. Right. Next adjoint A. What is adjoint A? Adjoint A is transpose of cofactors of A. That is called adjoint A definition. So first of all, before you find adjoint A, find cofactors. Cofactors A11. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 and it's minor. Minor means deleting this row and this column remaining 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. Okay. Next, what is this one? Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Next one. A12. A12 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 minus 1 to the power of I plus j and deleting this row and this column 3 minus 4 1 minus 2 it's minor 3 minus 4 1 minus 2 this is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 right. A13 is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 and it's minor. What is minor? Minor is corresponding element row and corresponding element column delete remaining 3 to 1 1. 3 to 1 1 that is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 plus y means 1 plus 3 is even number plus 3 minus 2 answer is 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next A21 means minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into its minor. A21 this is deleting this row and this column minus 3 5 1 minus 2 minus 3 5 1 minus 2 that is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 1 y means odd number minus 3 into minus 2 6 minus 5 6 minus 5 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Next A22 is minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 and it's minor. A22 deleting this row and this column remaining elements 2 5 1 minus 2 2 5 1 minus 2 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 even number means plus 1 minus 4 minus 5 that implies minus 9. Next A23 is minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 and it's minor. A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 into its minor. Deleting this row and this column. This row this column. Remaining elements are 2 minus 3, 1, 1. 2 minus 3, 1, 1. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. Odd number. So that is minus 1. 2 minus of minus 3. Minus and again there minus 3 is there. Therefore, minus 1. 2 minus into minus plus. 2 plus 3, 5. So this value is equal to minus 5. Okay, cross. Next, A31. A31 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 and its minor. A31. Deleting this row, this column. Deleting this row, this column. What are the remaining elements? Minus 3, 5, 2 minus 4. Minus 3, 5, 2 minus 4. This is equal to minus 3 plus 1. Even number, so plus 1 of minus 3 minus 4 plus 12 minus 10. Answer is 2. Next, A32. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 and its minor. A32. Deleting this row. Deleting this row and this column. Deleting this row. This column. What are the remaining elements? 2, 5, 3 minus 4. 2, 5, 3 minus 4. This answer is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2. Odd number. So this is minus 1. 2 into minus 4. Minus 8. 3 5s. 15. Therefore that is equal to minus 1, minus 8, minus 15. Minus 23, this value is equal to 23. Right. A33, last element, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 and its minor. Deleting this row, this column, remaining element. Deleting this row and this column, remaining elements. 2 minus 3, 3, 2. 2 minus 3, 3, 2. 2 minus 3, 3, 2. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, even number. Plus 2 2's, 4 minus, already this minus 3, 3 is minus 9. Therefore, minus into minus plus 9 is equal to 13. So, finish all cofactors. Now we write adjoint. A11 0, A12 2, A13 1, A21 minus 1, A22 minus 9, A23 minus 5. Next row, A31 2, A32 23, A33 13. This is the cofactor. Next, adjoint. Adjoint is transpose of this one. Transpose of this one means 0 to 1. Compulsory, don't forget this one. Adjoint transpose. Forget means direct take means answer will get wrong. 0 to 1. Minus 1. Minus 9. Minus 5. 2. 23. 13. So transpose, change this rows and columns. 0 to 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 13. Right. So this is adjoint. What is the A inverse? Delta value minus 1. Right. A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by delta into exactly 1 by minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 9, 23, 1, minus 5, 13. This is equal to A inverse is equal to 1 by delta of adjoint 1 by minus 1 of adjoint 0, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 9, 23, 1, minus 5, 13. So minus 1 multiply inside. Number is there means like 17, 34 means don't multiply inside. Just only one sign you multiply, no problem. 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, plus 9, minus 23, minus 1, plus 5, minus 13. This is the A inverse. Okay, completed A inverse. They ask what next? Solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. X plus 5 minus 2z is equal to minus 3. From the given equations, from the given equations, write A value. Given equations, what is the matrix? 2, minus 3, 5, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 1, minus 2, x is equal to x, y, z. X, y, z, and b is equal to 11 minus 5 minus 3. So as t is already found in inverse of this matrix, this only. So therefore here also same matrix A. So that's why this system of equation can be written as, solve means directly write. The system of equation can be written as, the system of equations as Ax is equal to B. That implies x is equal to A inverse of B. A inverse of B. Okay. X is equal to, what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 0, minus 1, plus 1, 0 plus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 13 into B value 11 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, multiply. X is equal to 0 into 11, 0, 1 into minus 5, minus 5, minus 2 into minus plus 6. Next one, multiply this row and this column, minus 2 into 11, minus 22. Next one, 9, minus 45, minus into minus plus, 3 3 is 9, 69. Plus 6. Next one, this row and this column, minus 11, minus 25, and this value plus minus plus 39. Okay, minus 5 plus 6, 1. This value minus 22 minus 45, minus 22 minus 45 value 7, 6, minus 67 plus 69, 2, minus 67 plus 69, 2. Next one, minus 25 minus 11 minus 36, minus 25 minus 11 minus 36, minus 36 plus 39, 3. So x means x, y, z. X means x, y, z. Therefore, what are the values? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So these are the solutions. Solve the system of equations means find x, y, z values by using matrix method. But in this problem, before only they ask A inverse, that's why you find out A inverse, and given system of equations can written as like this one. And this given matrix A and system of equations A value both are coincide. The same matrix, then the system of equation can be written as Ax is equal to B, x is equal to A inverse into B. Then the process same, multiply this one. Be careful this one, here multiplication, and solve x is equal to 1, 2, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So you have doubt these values x, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Verify in this given system of equations. Given system of equations, they will satisfy, then your answer is correct. Otherwise, somewhere mistake. Once you check from back. Okay. So this is also 5 marks. So especially this exercise is 5 marks. Next is 16. The cost of 4 kg onion, 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. Otherwise, right here is rupees 60. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice, all items value is 60. Next. Full stop. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, and 6 kg rice. 6 kg rice is rupees 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, 2 kg wheat, and 3 kg, and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Full stop. Find the cost of each item purchased by matrix method. By matrix. Sometimes ask like this also, word problem. Word problem convert into linear equations, then follow the same process. Okay, they ask find the cost of each item purchased. Cost each item later, like this you write later, onion, let it be onion is equal to x, wheat is y, variable y, and rice, let it be z. So onion x variable, wheat y variable, rice is equal to unknown values x, y, z. So depend on the given statement, 4 kg onion, 4 kg onion, 4x plus 3 kg wheat, 3 white plus, so 1 kg onion, let it be x, 1 kg wheat is equal to y, 1 kg x is equal to like that one, otherwise onion is equal to x. For 3y plus 2 kg rice, 2z, total cost is equal to 60 rupees. Right, next one. The cost of 2 kg onion, 2x plus 4 kg wheat, 4y and 6 kg rice is equal to 90 rupees. Is equal to 90 rupees. Next one. The cost of 6 kg onion, 6x plus 2 kg wheat, 2y, this is 2y plus 3 kg rice, 3 kg rice is equal to 70 rupees. Three system of linear equations written this one here. From this system of equations, solve by using a matrix method. Remaining process as we say. First of all, let me write quotient of a matrix 4 3 2 2 4 6 6 2 3. Next variable matrix x y z. Constant matrix 60 90 70. So next we will find this equations ax is equal to b, x is equal to a inverse into b. Then find a inverse next by matrix method solve the system of equations. Okay students, we will completed this exercise. We will continue next class, next session. Thank you.